Good day everyone, I am Jamari Soriza from DCPET 2-3 and this is my reflection video about the future of computer engineering. So as I reflect on the video discussion, I am struck by incredible potential and responsibility that lies within this field. The rapid evolution of technology, driven by advancement in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automation, highlights how essential computer engineers are in shaping world that is more connected, efficient, and innovative. These transformations excites me as it opens countless doors to contribute meaningfully to society while engaging in cutting-edge problem solving. I envision myself adapting to these changes with an enthusiasm, continuously honing my skill and expanding my knowledge to remain relevant and impactful in this fast-paced industry. So, on the global stage, computer engineers are at the forefront of addressing critical challenges such as cybersecurity threats, data privacy, and ethical technology development. So, the demand for professionals who can create secure, intelligent, and sustainable system is increasing, offering both challenges and opportunities. So, I see myself embracing the dynamic landscape by focusing on areas that align with my passion such as in artificial intelligence, where the potential to revolutionize industries is limitless, or cybersecurity where protecting critical information system can make a profound difference. So these fields not only inspire me but also align with my desire to contribute technology advancement but improve lives. So the future of these jobs in this field is equally fascinating and provoking. It is clear that automation and AI will redefine traditional roles, and while this may lead to displacement of certain jobs, it also creates a new opportunity for those who are adaptable and willingly to evolve. My key takeaway is that embracing lifelong learning, reskilling, and remaining open to change are essential for navigating this shifting landscape. Furthermore, as the role of technology expands, I am reminded of the importance of developing solutions that are only innovative but also ethical and inclusive, ensuring that the benefits of progress are shared and equitably. So this reflection strengthened my commitment to pursuing a career in computer engineering, where I can merge technical expertise with creativity and purpose. I aim to be a part of future that balance technological advancement with societal well-being, contributing to innovation that empowers people and solve pressing global issues. So the journey ahead is both challenging and rewarding, and I am determined to seize the opportunity it represents with passions, resilience, and dedication to making a positive impact. And that's it. Again, I am Jamar Jesus Riza, and this is my reflection video.